There's been a lot of changes in Liberty Hill ISD recently.
New schools are being built. New businesses are opening.
And now, for the first time, Liberty Hill ISD will have 2 high schools competing against each other in district competition. Even though there are changes, a lot's going to stay the same.
Competition doesn't change who we are.
It strengthens what we share.
We still push each other.
We still help our community.
We still show up for each other.
We're still something bigger than just one campus. Even though I don't coach this team.
And even though I don't coach for this team.
We're all part of the same team.
We're all part of the same team.
We're all part of the same team.
One town, 2 high schools. 1 Liberty Hill ISD.